Hey everybody, what's up, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is Heather, the original. How you guys doing? Is everybody okay? Cool. Today I am doing a homemade meal. I did my own Louisiana fried chicken. Look at that, y'all. I got some stuffing, mashed potatoes and gravy. And I'm hiding a little bit of potato salad on the side. Just a little. It's really mad at me. But yeah, I am so hungry. I'm ready to get this in, y'all, for real. It's a lot better to do out to eat stuff. I get it, but my palate, I'm like, I just want to eat at home. I don't want anything out. I did my own chicken. This chicken. Oh my God, sorry guys. Sorry, you guys, my video just cut out for some reason. That was strange. Hopefully I got everything. That's gonna suck if I didn't. Okay. Go, Heather. I made this while on my lunch break. I sure did. Because I knew I wanted to eat it. Although the breading, okay, it's Louisiana chicken fried. Give me a very good crunch though. What y'all eating on tonight? Anything special? You make something? Or you eating out? I could really use some hot sauce. I wonder if I can get some to me. No, I can't. Now about leaving you guys. Which I've been doing a lot of lately, sorry. Mom. Right now, my kids stayed in my hometown with their grandmother. Yeah. They're on their mini vacay. Hopefully enjoying their grandmother. Now, what I would like to do is learn how to make my own like chicken stuffing. I haven't been brave enough to do that yet. I really want to. I had some stuffing one time. We had like a Memorial Family Day picnic in my hometown. And somebody made some chicken stuffing one year. It was my first time ever having it like that. It really was. I had never had something like that before. And it was so good. I have a few new subscribers. Hi guys. Welcome. Thank you. Appreciate you. It's always nice. And of course, hello to my faithful subscribers who've been there with me from day one. I appreciate y'all hanging in there with me. I'm gonna lie. This week's gonna be kind of hard. This month. Well, every month is hard, but you know, how this month is for me, so. I'm getting through it, you guys. I'm getting through it. Now my baby girl back there. Here. She's there. With me. I'm gonna keep her with me. Sorry, but I'm grubbing. Good. Pat myself on the back. Yeah, I eat lunch like a regular person, so I mean it's a regular time. It's kind of like my lunch and dinner combo. I won't eat again after this. Nope. So I better enjoy it, huh? Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had like a friendship turn horribly wrong? Like a long year friendship, like you basically call each other your siblings type of friendship. And that person just like changes on you drastically, not in a healthy way. Ugly towards you and speaking to you any kind of way. Just I'm the type of person, if I did something or said something, I'm gonna acknowledge that I did. I'm gonna take responsibility for it. I'm gonna say, yeah, that was up that I said or messed up what I did, or you know. I will. Excuse me. Even I'm embarrassed about it, not proud of myself for it. Look, I'm gonna learn from my mistakes, especially if I hurt someone. You know what I mean? If I made them feel that type of way, and they were able to let me know, I would like to correct that. That's never happened to me before, but I have a friend of mine, well, I talked about in my Burger King video. Well, she was like a sister to me at one point, I thought. And now, she was sending me so many mean texts and things, I just deleted them. I couldn't even respond. I was like, this is insane. Day after a year, losing my child, you're coming at me with nonsense. Nonsense. What the hell your problem is? It's one of the situations but damn, I really wish I actually did something. At least I know. He's coming at me in left field. Just be coming at me. That's creepy. That's creepy to me. No, it's creepy. How the creepy does. You know how a person would have to sit there in their heads and manifest the issue when there has been an issue, you haven't done nothing to the person, when the person calls on you, you try to be there for them, even when they call on you unnecessarily. Do be there for them. Look out for them. I mean, this person has been just straight dogging me out. Left and right. I'll bend over backwards for them. And I get disrespect in return and ugly talking and nah. Sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know where that's coming from. That behavior is unexcusable. It's like I don't know this person anymore. You know what I mean? Like, who have you and what have you done with my friend? Invasion of the body snatchers! That's what I feel like. Like, okay, where's the aliens that abducted you? I don't know you, lady. I don't know this lady. I don't. It hurts me, but you know, that's a lot of. I don't know what else to do, you guys. I don't know. And do nothing to the person. Like I said, I almost wish I would have. At least I know. Well, I did do this, or I did act like this, I knew. You know. At least I know. You don't say you're not dumb. You know what I'm saying? But no. Like, you almost want to have them checked for like mental issues or something. Like, are you on medication or something, or should you be on medication or something? Like, seriously, y'all, like, is that like concerning? You're just like, I don't know what's up with you, because you coming at me a whole nother different way. It doesn't even make any sense. At least let me do something to you. I don't know what advice y'all can give me though. How selfish of a person are you? Excuse my French. Not gonna do it. Loved you at one point. You're one of my dearest friends, but if that's all you're working with, then I don't have time for it. I'm so sorry. And the lie, breaks my heart in a million pieces, but I'm not gonna sit there and be abused, emotionally abused by someone who's got other issues that need to be addressed, apparently. I don't know. Well, yeah, I'm gonna end this video here because it's getting long. And I'm just ranting. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to do what? Subscribe, like, comment, share. I want to hear from you. And last few videos I haven't said it because I don't know. I think I was just spacing off. But what? I'm here. I ain't going nowhere. I'm here. I love you guys so much. Thank you for listening to me rant. Maybe y'all got some advice. Who knows? But I think I'm doing the best thing for myself, and that's just stepping away. Love you guys. Have a good night. Bye.